like pigs. Hopefully I didn't scuff nothing. Don't look like I did. Alright. It looks like everything I need. Oh, I need the straps. To strap the bike down on the way back. Bike is loaded up. Time to head to Ice Cycle to get these wheels on. And we're gonna be doing our little project. Let's go. Okay, been a few days back from the bike shop. We got the new beast mode tires on there. Still wish I had the white wall lettered tires. We got the new bottom bracket caps on there. I just had them line that up for me for the chain. The chain I bought was a little cheap rent chain, wasn't long enough. So I'm gonna have to get another chain. And we got the pegs and the chain tensioners on. So now we just need to get the brakes on, get a new chain. Maybe put the graphics on there. I kind of like the plain look. Might not even put the graphics on there, but we'll see. Might put a little something on there. But this thing's looking good. It is looking good. Okay, minus the yellow wheels, bike's looking good. I'm thinking about even rattle can painting these joints, because I really don't like the yellow no more with all this blue and white and red going on. But anyway, spoke skins. White, of course. Go with the colorway. I was gonna do red, but just feel like these would be a little icy or yellow. So, time to get these on. Okay, so there she is with the white spoke skins. I think they look good. I think it looks good. I think I might eventually get like some Right Out Supply reflective ones or something, you know, that I kind of like I had before, but these cheap ones off of Amazon to do for now. So next thing I need to do is get the brakes back on. See them sitting there hanging, chilling right here, and order the chain. It will technically be done. Still haven't decided if I'm gonna get a create my own graphic kit or not. I'm not gonna really buy one. I don't need one that bad, but I might get out my silhouette and cut some vinyl that I have laying around and, you know, make my own little sticker kit, but we'll see. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna go and order that chain, get these brakes on, and finish up this build. There you go. No, don't tell me you have to. I'm gonna be irritated if I have to take that grip off, bro. Seems to me like this doesn't extend. Looks like it don't extend no more than that. And I don't wanna break it. Really? I'm gonna have to take the grip off. Bro, that's wild. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty wild. Okay, so I might have spoke too soon. As you can see, that says push to open. Push to open. All right, I'm gonna see if I got something small to stick down and then push it. Let's see. Okay, so I got my little bitty screwdriver. Okay, and it worked. Straight like that. I just knew Shimano wouldn't do me like that. Gonna get this in there. I ain't gonna tighten it up too much. I'm gonna position it in a minute. I just kind of want to route my brakes real quick. Kind of forgot how they was routed. There we go. Something else I'm gonna have to fix at the bike shop. I guess they decided I needed a spacer here. They put that crusty, dusty black on. Well, it ain't that bad, but I got red spacers. So we gonna get that swapped out, and the spacer is actually gonna go at the bottom. I don't know how they routed it like that, but yeah, spacer's gonna go down yonder. Let's get that done. So I finally got the last piece to the puzzle. I just got a white chain off of Amazon. It's like $16, something, nothing too crazy. Should be enough links. Not like the short one that I had, but I don't know. That's way too long. Chain is way too long.